welcome to Srouse Creations. My name is Adia and let me show you how to make air fryer roasted potatoes. Here are the list of ingredients. First, take 4 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into cubes. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of kosher or normal salt. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper to it. Add about a teaspoon of oregano leaves. Now add half a teaspoon of rosemary leaves if you want to. Add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese powder. And add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix well. If you want, you can add a little bit more oil. Spread the potatoes nicely onto the air fryer tray. Set the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and fry them for 12 minutes. After 6 minutes, give them a stir. After 12 minutes, it turned out like this. But I wanted a little more crispy, so I set it again for 3 minutes. Finally, my favorite roasted potatoes are ready. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Srouse Creations.